Hello viewers, this is Salman. Welcome to my kitchen channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how I make my eggs and fish at a time. This is so easy. It looks like so difficult, but it's not, and it's not take really big time. So this is so easy and so delicious if you eat it with the pulao especially. So here I clean the Hilsha fish and I just add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt and mix it gently. This fish is so soft, so you have to be careful, and I set it aside for an hour. And here I chopped 1 big onion, and I love lots of spices, that's why here is about 20 dry chilies. So I set the frying pan on the stove and I add oil, turmeric powder and salt because I wanna fry the eggs. That's why I just add the turmeric powder and salt first, so it will mix it with the oil and it will goes all over the side of eggs. So if I add the egg first and then if I add turmeric powder and salt, it's not gonna be goes all over the side. So here my eggs gonna be fried so nicely. So I'll set in a side when it's gonna fry it up. In the same oil I'll fry the fish. So I fried the egg first because the fish smell not gonna goes to the egg, and the egg has no strong smell, so that's why the fish will be okay. That's the way you can schedule your maintain your cooking time and cooking item in a one pan. So after fried my fish, I just add the onion and dry chilies on the oil and I'll fry them, and I'll make little gravy. It's not a gravy, it's so dry, but I'll fry them so nicely. And I just add some other seasoning. So I added 5 or 6 cloves, and then green cardamom around 4 or 5, and then some black pepper. That's all. And you don't have to add turmeric powder or salt because it's already in the oil. I just add half teaspoon of cumin powder. I forgot, but I added half teaspoon of cumin powder because somehow I love cumin powder with the Hilsha fish. And here it is. So I'm gonna fry it for maybe 10 minutes, and then I got this nice kind of pickle style. So it's so easy, and then I just garnish on the top of the fish and egg. And this is the easy way you can make your side item with pulao rice. So I hope you guys love this recipe. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel for next cooking item. Thank you. Bye bye.